A vehicle walk-around check can take up to about 10 minutes. Done wrong, it's worth nothing. Done right, it protects your driver, it protects your business and your insurance. So here's how to do it properly. I'm Jim from PocketBox. We build fleet management software and we see the results of bad vehicle checks and good ones, and we see this every day. This video covers what a proper walk-around check looks like and why the way you record it matters just as much as the check itself. UK law requires that commercial vehicles are checked before use. That covers vans, HGVs and minibuses. Anything being used in the course of the work. But here's the thing most businesses miss. The check itself isn't enough. You need to record it. It needs to be a time-stamped, documented record that proves the check happened, who did it and what they found. If a driver leaves the yard in a vehicle with a defect that they didn't report and there's an accident, the question the DVSA and your insurer will ask is, was there a check done? Where's the evidence? And a driver saying they looked at it, oh, I checked it this morning, that just isn't evidence. It doesn't add up. Walk around the vehicle in a consistent order, front to back, the driver's side first. That consistency means nothing gets skipped. Tires. Check the pressure if you have a gauge, but visually check the tread depth and the condition. Look for damage, cuts, bulges. Check the wheel nuts are tight. This is particularly important for HGVs. Lights. All lights, the headlights, the brake lights, the indicators, the hazards, the reversion lights. Get somebody to stand behind the vehicle if you're on your own, or else use a reflection. The windscreen and the mirrors. Cracks, chips, visibility. Mirrors correctly positioned. The bodywork, is there any new damage? Is there any dents or scrapes? Important both for safety, so that you have a record for when the damage appeared, not for when someone just noticed it. Fluid levels, engine oil, coolant, screen wash, takes about 60 seconds. Load security, if applicable. Is the load secured properly? Is it within the vehicle's payload limit? The cab interior. The brakes feel right. Warning lights on the dashboard. Is the seatbelt working? The fit to drive declaration. The driver should confirm that they're not impaired. They haven't taken any medication that affects their ability to drive, and they can read a number plate up to 20 metres. Paper checklists have a fundamental problem. They're easy to fake, they're easy to lose, and they're nearly impossible to audit. So a driver can fill in a paper form in 20 seconds without leaving their seat. Tick, 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 tick. There's no timestamp, there's no GPS location, there's no way to verify the check happened. With a digital check through an app, the driver completes the inspection on their phone. Each item is checked off in real time. If they find a defect, they photograph it. The photo is automatically time-stamped, location stamped. That report goes instantly to the fleet manager or the workshop. The defect gets assessed, a repair is scheduled, the vehicle is cleared or grounded. That creates a complete audit trail. Every check, every defect, every resolution, with dates and times. So, when the DVSA comes knocking on your door, you can pull the full maintenance and inspection history for any vehicle in about 30 seconds. We have a free daily inspection checklist template you can download from our website. It covers everything I've just gone through, and it's been put together in line with the DVSA requirements. The link's below, and if you want to see how the digital check process works in PocketBox, book a free demo. Thanks for watching.